I'm Lord of All Trades, and today we're trying Carnival's new pizzas at Coastal Slice on the Jubilee. Oh, this is the pizza bowl.
I have 2 slices of each. Thank you.
That was our gently emergency.
All right, new pizzas.
So we got the Tex-Mex. And we got the barbecue chicken.
Okay.
And then some other ones on the menu.
Fungi is not on the menu on this ship.
All right, I'm gonna go in the order on the menu. So
Nor is the prosciutto.
that's true.
And then we did quattro formaggi dirty because there's only 4 members of the Beatles, and we had to make a cut.
That's true.
All right.
Barbecue chicken first.
How's the flavor?
I like it.
Texture?
I like the scallions on top. Cheddar cheese is a nice touch.
Okay.
Pretty good spotting on the bottom, if you're a crust enthusiast.
All right. And now the Tex-Mex.
The Tex-Mex, yeah. So maybe my first time having corn on a pizza, but we'll give it a shot.
Well,
It's good. I was expecting bell peppers, but they're like, oh, I guess it's jalapenos.
there's also bell pepper.
There's also bell pepper. I gotta get just a bite with some bacon though.
Okay. Which do you like better of the two?
I gotta go back to this one to make sure.
Okay.
One bite, everyone knows the rules.
But you already took a bite. No, it's 2 bites.
One more, everyone knows the rules.
It's at least 2 bites. All right. So of the 2 new pizzas, which is your favorite?
I'm really torn. I think I'm going with the barbecue chicken though.
Okay.
I really like the scallions. And the cheddar cheese is like coming through.
Okay. Both are good.
They're both good.
You recommend both?
Yeah. One bite.
Oh my god. So there you have it. Husband approves of both of the new pizzas at Coastal Slice. We'll be back at some point so that we can rate all of Carnival's different pizza recipes from number 1 to number, I believe, 9, but that is for another day. That's it for me and the new pizzas at Coastal Slice on the Jubilee.